I love this answer. This is so perfect. This is on a video where someone had asked me during a live stream. They said, Dave, if you could impart one word, just one word of knowledge onto your past self, what would it be? And of course, I took that very literally. I was like, okay, what's the one English word I would give my past self? Blah, 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 blah. I never thought about the definition of word because, there's plenty of definitions of word out there. Like, I think of like a CPU architecture. We have a 32-bit or 64-bit CPU. Do I have 64 bits to store my word? Is my word size 64 bits? Because in that case, I can put, 8 ASCII characters in that? But then I like this answer here, because what if it's just characters without a space? That I can do a lot with UU encode. So for those that don't know, I love UU encode and UU decode. You can give it a file name, like on a Unix system. I believe these are both POSIX commands, so they should be there by default. You can UU encode a file, and then it gives it to you in a format that can be transferred as text only. Similar to like base 64, it's not base 64. It also does encode some metadata about the file. I think permissions and stuff are put in there. Long story short, you can like UU encode a file, pipe it to like netcat and start a server, and then on a different machine you can like netcat as a client to that server, and then UU decode that and it will create the file on the remote end. I've used this before to transfer files when I didn't have something like SSH set up, so I couldn't just SCP to the file. So UU encode, UU decode is great. This is a fantastic way of transferring data because now there's no limit. I could just have like a gigabyte file with a bunch of text and information about what the future holds, UU encode it, and then have one large word. I just like this. I like solutions that think outside of the box. I think this is beautiful.